In the last episode, we discussed certifications, internships, hackathons, and projects. Today, I'm going to talk about something that can completely change your engineering career: open source. Most students think open source is only for expert programmers. That's one of the biggest myths. In reality, open source is one of the fastest ways to learn real-world technology, build your profile, and impress recruiters, even before you graduate. Let's understand this in very simple language. Imagine someone develops software and keeps its source code open for everyone. Anyone can study it, learn from it, improve it, fix bugs, suggest new features, and contribute back. Thousands of developers across different countries work together on the same project. That's open source. Instead of learning only from textbooks, you learn from software that powers banks, hospitals, airlines, telecom companies, governments, and even AI platforms. This is where students begin connecting the dots. You may not realize it, but many technologies you hear every day are open source. Linux powers millions of servers across the world. Kubernetes helps companies manage thousands of applications. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages for AI and automation. Docker simplified application deployment. Ansible automates repetitive IT tasks. OpenShift provides an enterprise platform for running Kubernetes securely at scale. Most AI companies today build on top of open source technologies. So when you learn open source, you're actually learning the technologies companies already use. Here's something many students don't know. Companies don't just hire people who know theory. They hire people who can solve real problems. When you contribute to open source, recruiters can actually see your work. They can see your code, your bug fixes, your documentation, your discussions, your improvements. It's like having a public portfolio that grows every month. That's much more powerful than simply writing "I know Python" on your resume. This is probably the most valuable part. Many students ask me, do I need to be an expert programmer before contributing? Absolutely not. You can begin by reading documentation, improving tutorials, finding bugs, testing software, translating documents, reporting issues, answering community questions. Then slowly, you can start fixing small issues. Later, you can contribute code. Every contribution counts. Every contribution becomes part of your professional journey. The biggest benefit isn't just learning technology, it's becoming part of a global community. You'll collaborate with developers from different countries, learn industry best practices, improve communication skills, build confidence, and graduate with experience that many students simply don't have. That's why many successful engineers started their careers through open source communities. If I had one piece of advice for every engineering student, it would be this: don't wait until your final year. Start your open source journey from your first year itself. Learn, explore, contribute, keep improving, because your GitHub profile can become one of your strongest resumes. And in the AI era, people who learn continuously and contribute openly will always stay ahead. In our next episode, we'll discuss how companies are changing their hiring process in the AI era and what recruiters really look for beyond CGPA. I'll see you in the next episode.